Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to view old posts on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First, go to linkedin.com and log in with your email, Google or Microsoft account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, just enter the code and send to your phone. Once you are on LinkedIn homepage, head over to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. From the drop-down menu, click on View Profile. This will open your profile. Now here, you just have to scroll down until you reach the activity option. Since I didn't post anything yet, so I don't see the option of activity. But you just have to click on the activity section and then click on show all activities or see your old posts. This will open a complete history of your LinkedIn activities, posts, your articles, and other interaction. And that's it, a simple way to reflect on your LinkedIn journey and maybe even reconnect. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.